guys. So a lot of you, we're working on octaves this week, the ninth etude, and a lot of you guys have been struggling with the ends of the pieces. So today we're going to start learning it from the end. So looking and measure 64 to the end, all you have is an E minor arpeggio and an A minor arpeggio. E minor, A minor. And then you have incausando, which means pressing. So you're going to get it faster and faster and faster and faster. So just sight reading here, starting in 64, and then I'll show you the incausando. Ready, go. So it's really, this is where you say, thank you, Mary, for teaching me those minor arpeggios, because now it makes this so easy, right? So if you look back even 2 bars before that, so we're in 62, that is an E minor arpeggio, measure 60, E minor arpeggio. So looking at measure 61, you're starting on F sharp. It's not that hard. I'm going to be watching those lips, people. Make sure you're doing it as harmonics. So starting in 61, just think harmonics. Make the lower note louder than the top note. Make sure you lift that first finger for the middle D sharp. Try it with me. Ready, go. So, and then it repeats again, and then incausando to the end. I think you'll have no problem with this ending. So let's go back to measure 45. And it's all harmonics. Again, this is where you say, thank you, Mary, for teaching me harmonics. It makes this so much easier and sounds so much prettier. So whatever you do, just make sure you switch to the higher fingerings. But if a higher note isn't coming out soft, do it as the harmonic and then back it off. So starting on 45, so we're starting on an E minor arpeggio actually. And then, so this is an E minor, and it's tricky because if you try to use our cheater's way, you look at the first note and the last note, it's like, ooh, one's a G. At the beginning, it could be G major, and you look at the last note, but it ends on an E. There's also lots of D sharps, which gives it away that you're probably an E minor because of that harmonic minor. And then if you really look at that first measure, yes, you start on a G, but that's because it's a part of the E minor arpeggio. So you're really playing an E minor arpeggio. So it's all using your lips. And it repeats itself quite a bit. So then you get to measure 54, and well, actually 53, and it changes on you. I strongly recommend writing in your enharmonic fingerings, people. I mean, you get 1 week to put this together. I don't want etudes to be your focus. This is to help you learn how to get ready for auditions and that sort of thing where you have to put something together difficult in a week. And so mark in your enharmonics. I mean, for instance, in measure 45, 46, 47, mark the D sharp as an E flat. Even if it's every time you miss it, mark it. And the A sharp, mark that. And it's just like sometimes you guys will come to play it for me. It's like, oh, what's that? I know that. I played it right this whole week when I was practicing. I'm sure you did. I am sure you're not lying. But when you get on camera or you get in front of an adult listening, suddenly your brain goes into overpower mode and you overthink it. So just mark in your enharmonics if you're not sure. So start on 45 to the end, and that way the end of your video will be the strongest part of your video. So really think about those, harmonic lip movements. And tomorrow we will go backwards and learn the middle portion of this piece. So good luck. Bye.